Hello, everyone. Welcome to Repair Sprout YouTube channel. And today we're going to go over 7 easy water damage marketing hacks that you can implement right away. So starting from today into your online marketing to see better results. So without any delays, let's get right into it. So number one is use a live chat. About 40% of people who use live chats on businesses' websites end up becoming customers of those same businesses. Live chat can be very helpful to website visitors as all of their questions and concerns could be addressed right away. They can help increase time spent on your website, which will improve your user engagement, which will also help send good signals to Google, which will increase your rankings. User engagement is very important for SEO, and it will only be more and more important in the future. The best live chat software for local businesses are LiveChat Inc and ChatBot. You can also check out Podium and HubSpot's live chat, which are the best overall. Live chats can help skyrocket websites conversions, yet so many businesses are still not using them. If that's the case with your competitors, with your closest competition, adding a live chat is a sure way to help your brand stand out. Now, you may also be able to, and this is one very good trick, to set up autoresponders with your chatbot, actually your live chat. And questions that you find people asking you all the time could be automatically answered to before the potential customer connects with a real person. Number two is claim a Google Ads coupon. So if you've never run Google Ads before, you can claim up to $500 in advertising credit. Now, the way you would do this, at least at the time of recording this video, is you spend $500 and then they give you $500 more. So that's $1,000. So that's essentially $500 for free to advertise on Google. Now, this isn't some big number for at least for the restoration industry to get some results from. The best way, at least we believe, is to spend this money is to run a very broad campaign to see just what keywords people are typing in your area that you might not be aware of. But you may also try to do other things. And you may even get a phone call or two from this. So go ahead and try it. If you have no history of Google Ads before with your account, you can, now this is at least at the time of recording this video. It may change, maybe more, maybe less, maybe different terms. But yeah, go and claim your Google Ads coupon. Answer GBP reviews, Google Business Profile, GBP listings, where businesses respond to their reviews tend to rank higher in Google Maps. Always respond to your GBP reviews, even if it's just a simple thank you message. This way you can give your GBP listing a nice rankings boost, as engagement is a big factor of GBPs as well. Also, there's some data that shows that potential customers that visit your Google Maps listing will find it better if you actually respond to reviews, and they are more likely to engage with your business if you do so. So yeah, let's go on. Number 4, use Hotjar. Have you ever wanted to see exactly what people are doing on your website? With Hotjar, you can do a lot of cool things, with this being one of them. You can record website sessions. You can install heat maps to see where people click on your site the most. And you can ask people for feedback on what they think of your website and business. As you can see, you can have this little cool widget on your website, and people can, rate the experience they had with your business and your website and their whole customer journey. So yeah, let's go on. Add videos to your website. Embedded videos on your website will help you with 2 things. They will increase your user engagement again and conversion rate. The advertising people spend on your website will increase because people will be able to watch videos without clicking off your website. They can just click the play button. Increased engagement on your website will help your website rank much higher in search engines, as I said before. An additional tip is to make your website engaging overall, not just videos. Add buttons, opt-in forms, photos of you and your team to show that there are real people behind the website. What types of videos to add? First of all, you should add videos on your most important pages. These videos should sell people on your service. Go over the benefits of your service, choosing your company over the competitors, and also answer questions that you get asked by potential prospects frequently. Leverage trends is number 6. Run more ads during parts of the year when your services are more in demand than usual, like when a storm or a flood happens in your service area. Be more active on social media, increase your ad spend. Increased ad spend will help reach more people, and you want to do this because the chance of people needing a repair service is much higher after those events, as you likely know. And now use landing pages. This is the seventh and last tip. Instead of sending people to your website, create campaign-oriented one-page website with no site navigation, where the only goal, the entire purpose of that landing page is to get people to call you now for that specific service, like for water damage restoration. Having one CTA instead of a general website with a header with all of these options to click and visit different pages and many different things to do, like contact us, subscribe to our newsletter, call us now, fill out a form, is proven to increase conversions. Now, the reason for this is because there will only be one call to action. So just call now. That's the only option you will have on your website. Better landing page experience means lower ad cost as well, because a good landing page will increase a so-called quality score on Google Ads, which will decrease your ad spend. You can create a landing page easily with a tool like Unbounce or even WordPress page builders like Elementor. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Short one again, but hopefully it was helpful for you enough to implement some of these ideas into water damage marketing and increase your conversions. So yeah, if you have any additional questions, would like a free consultation, leave a comment on this video, go to repairspot.com or join our Facebook group. And that's it for today. Hope you have a good one, and bye-bye. I will see you in the next one.